Welcome back, dear students. Let us continue the revision because our midterm portions already over, all three chapters over. So we need to do the revision. So let us take the another chapter, cell structure and functions. So I have taken MCQs. First you observe the questions and try to answer it. So you take just a piece of paper and you have to just write down the proper answers. No need to write in your notebook. Just take a paper, any rough book or any paper, and try to answer for these questions. Okay, let us start. The powerhouse of cell is called, we have four options: cell wall, mitochondria, ribosomes, nucleus. Find out the correct answer and write in that paper. And you need to take only a rough paper. No need to write in your notebook. Second one, the kitchen of the cell is called cell wall, nucleus, vacuoles, plastids. Try to remember the function of the cell so that you can find out the correct answer. Function of the cell organelles. Okay, third one, the functional unit of the life is called, you have four options: cell, egg, nucleus, none of this. So find out the proper answer and write in your rough paper. It's just a self test for you. Fourth one, chloroplast is found in the plant cell only, animal cell only, both of these or none of this. Find out the right answer and write only the answer in your rough paper. Fifth one, the control unit of cell is, you have four options: nucleus, cell wall, cytoplasm, all of this. So find out the right answer. Okay, sixth one, single celled organisms are called. So we have discussed about this in previous chapter also. So I think you know very well. Options are unicellular, multicellular, both of these or none of this. Kindly select only one option. It will be a self test for you. Next one, seventh, tissue is a four options: group of organs, group of cells, group of tissues, or group of organisms. So find out only one correct option. Okay, next one. Cell is discovered by Robert Brown, Robert Hooke, John Mendel, Charles Darwin. So find out only one option. You have to select only one option. Ninth one. The cell which can change its shape are amoeba cell, WBC, both of this or none of this. Okay, I hope you selected one option. Last one, hen's egg is a tissue, organ system or cell. So find out, you have to select only one answer and you have to write in your rough paper. It's just a self test, it's not required to write in your notebook. Yes, so let us see the proper answers. So you need to cross check your answers whether you have selected the right option or you have confused. So in front of that you have to whether it is right you can tick, or if it is wrong you can write the proper answer in front in your rough paper. Okay, let us discuss. The powerhouse of cell is called, and the option is B, mitochondria. Mitochondria is a cell organelle present in our cell. In each cell we have a mitochondria. So what is the function of mitochondria? The function of it is called the powerhouse of the cell because it usually, powerhouse means it provides a power, isn't it? So what we eat, the food what we eat, it reaches the mitochondria. There the food get converted and it releases the energy. Mitochondria releases the energy, and that energy is required to do the various cellular activity. So the energy is in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. So mitochondria is called the powerhouse of the cell because it releases energy in the form of ATP. It is a adenosine triphosphate. It's an energy molecule produced from the mitochondria, and that energy is required for all the cellular activities. I hope you understood. So that's why it is called the powerhouse of the cell. So in 8th standard you just learn which is called the powerhouse of the cell, which is called the kitchen of the cell. This much is enough for this grade. But for extra information I am telling the why it is called so. Okay, second one, the kitchen of the cell is called cell wall, nucleus, vacuoles, plastid. So in this, the right answer is option D, plastids. Why? Because the pigment present in the plastids, are helpful to synthesize their own food. So chlorophyll is present in the chloroplast. Those chloroplast is one of the plastid. So chlorophyll is helpful to synthesize their own food in the plant cell. And you should remember plastids are present only in the plant cell. Okay, next one. Third one, functional unit of cell is called, functional unit of life is called, functional unit of life is cell, because all the organisms are made up of cells and all the function of the organism which performs are taken place in the cell. So cell performs each function in our body. So cell is a functional unit of the cell. So life. Next, fourth one. Chloroplast is found in, we have discussed, chloroplast is found in only plant cell. So option A is the right answer. Plant cell having chloroplast. Only plant cell having the chloroplast. That's why it synthesizes their own food. If we animals have the chloroplast, then we can synthesize our own food, right? So we are not having a chloroplast, and that's why we cannot prepare our own food in our body. Okay, next, fifth one. The control unit of cell is, we have 4 options. The option A, nucleus, is the right answer for this question, because nucleus contains a genetic material and it is required, the genetic material, the major role of that is major role of the nucleus is it helpful in cellular reproduction. So cellular reproduction means cell divides and produces the new cell. So for that genetic material is required and it is done with a nucleus. So even nucleus synthesizes many many proteins, enzymes, which is required for various cellular activities. So synthesis of proteins and enzymes are done by using the nucleus. Nucleus produces that. Okay, next one. Single-celled organisms are called. So this we have discussed many times in the chapter 2 also we have discussed. Unicellular means single-celled organism, multicellular means many cells. So yeah, I think you have selected the right option, unicellular organism. The option A, unicellular, is the right answer for question 6. Okay, tissue is a, so just remember, group of cells is tissue. Number of tissues together to form organs. Number of organs together to form an organ system, isn't it? So the right option is group of cells is a tissue. Option B is the right answer. Next, cell is discovered by. Remember, Robert Brown discovered the nucleus. Robert Hooke, in chapter 2 also we have discussed, Robert Hooke discovered the cell. So option B is the right answer. Okay, next one. The cell which can change its shape are, we have 4 options: amoeba, WBC, both of this, none of this. So we have discussed about amoeba in our video. So if you go through our playlist, you will get to know the function of amoeba, why it is changing its shape. I have explained in our video. So WBC also changes its shape. It is also not having a regular proper shape. It also changes its shape. Why? Because if any foreign substance, if any germs enters our body, if anything which is unwanted to our body is a foreign substance, it is not like it should come from a foreign country. Foreign substance means which germs or any microorganism, which is any substance which is not required, which is not wanted for our body, those are foreign substances. Suppose if you engulf any safety pin or something coin, if you taken anything by chance, those are also called as foreign substance. Coins, if you taken by chance into your body through your mouth, that substance is also called foreign substance. See, any germs, any virus, bacteria, these enters our body, no, those are also called foreign bodies. So those foreign body, whenever any germs, any virus or any bacteria enters our body, it may affect our body, isn't it? It may cause any diseases. So WBC present in our bloodstream, which fight against those foreign bodies and it kills it. So to engulf that, to kill that bacteria or any virus, any foreign body, it has to changes its shape and it has to kill that. So that's why WBC also not having a proper regular shape. So now we are facing a very bad situation. So coronavirus. So whenever, see, some persons are very healthy, for them this virus will not affect much because their immunity level is more. So and at this time we need to increase our immunity level, so that if virus enters our body also, we can fight with our body having a WBC cells which will fight with those virus and it kills off. So that's why we have to increase our immunity power. So that's, you have to eat a good food which increases your immunity, and you have to drink the hot water and some of the kashaya, we say, some of the spices you need to boil in a water, and it reduced to a half of the water level. So that if you take all these, which will boost up the immunity, and vitamin C also helpful to boost up the immunity. So you know very well about this, just I brief out that. Okay, so WBC which engulfs the bacteria, and that process, engulf any virus or bacteria, that process is called phagocytosis. All these you will learn in your 9th standard and 10th standard. So just, it's a brief introduction about all these concepts. Okay, the last question, hen's egg is a. So in our doubt solving session also I have explained about hen's egg. So I hope you have seen that. Hen's egg is a, whether it's a tissue or an organ or an organ system or a cell. So the right answer is cell. Option D, cell is the right answer. So I hope you solved all the questions and maximum of your answers are right. If it is wrong also, no problem. Find out the right answer with our discussions and try to read out. Thank you.